Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
China is widely expected to leave its benchmark lending rates unchanged at the monthly fixing. But markets are wagering on more stimulus being rolled out soon in the face of an escalating Sino-US trade war. Policymakers have to walk a tightrope as the yuan has come under pressure. Japan's Nikkei share average rose 1% on Friday to clock its best week in 3 months, as investors turned more hopeful that US President Donald Trump would be able to broker trade deals with some of its top trading partners, including Japan. US President Trump launched a series of attacks against Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, accusing the central bank chief of playing politics by not cutting interest rates, asserting he had the power to evict Powell from his job real fast, and looking forward to the day when Powell was gone.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar is packed with impactful events, with major data points leading the way. These updates could play a pivotal role in market reactions, influencing everything from stock prices to currency valuations. With the potential for volatility high, staying proactive and responsive is crucial. Make sure to factor in these economic events when assessing your investment strategy.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.